Good morning, students. Here is another video of SST for grade 5. The new lesson that we are going to cover is the frigid zone. The polar region has an extreme climate. The whole region is covered by snow, and almost throughout the year it is cold. Sun does not set at the poles for 6 months, but for other 6 months there is no sunrise. The temperature can be as low as minus 40 degree during this period. Polar regions are situated near the north and the south poles. Some countries of the polar region are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska, and Siberia. Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland. Most of the Greenland therefore lies in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. This region is also known as tundra region. 8% of Greenland is always covered with ice. Huge pieces of ice frequently breaks off and float in the sea. They are called icebergs. The southwestern coast of Greenland is the warmest part of the country. Vegetation and wildlife. Nothing grows in the ice covered areas of Greenland. There are no forests and no crops can be grown here. Some plants can be seen during the summer months. Only those animals can withstand the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Among them are polar bear, reindeer, wolf, Arctic fox, and seal. People of Greenland. The Eskimo were the original inhabitants of Greenland. They are mainly hunters and live by fishing and hunting animals found in the regions. The skin and fur of the animal are used to make clothes. The fat is used as fuel. Earlier they used bows and harpoons to hunt, but now they are using guns. In the past, the Inuits were nomadic. That is, they used to roam around throughout the year to hunt. They used sledges pulled by dogs for transport. They used boats called kayaks for fishing in the sea. While roaming around, the Inuits used to live in temporary houses made of blocks of ice. We call them igloos. Igloos means a house whether made of ice or wood or brick. The people wear clothes made of animal skin and fur. Today, Greenland has a mixed population, mostly of Inuits and Europeans. Agriculture and industry. Fish processing is the major industry in Greenland. Sheep are raised in small numbers in the southwestern coast. A very small part of land in the southwest is suitable for agriculture. Thank you, students.